What's up guys, today's video we're going to replace this engine air filter. So this is a good premium guard filter. You don't want to buy nothing cheap. Part number is right there, you guys can see. So inside here we got a filter that looks something like this. Okay, so this is the face that's going to face down, and this is the top part of it. And we're going to remove the filter and replace the filter. So if you come over here, you got a retainer here. You pull this out, and then there's one more back here, and this baby just lifts out just like that. That's how simple that is. Okay, so this filter goes for about 15 to 20,000 miles. Look at the condition of that. This will save you gas in the long run. Okay, we're gonna throw that out. We're gonna get the new filter. If there's a lot of dirt and debris in there, you're gonna have to vacuum leaves and stuff. You take a new filter. This video is gonna be probably 3 minutes long. Quick and easy engine filter change. We got our clips here just bothering us. And just make sure your filter sits properly, and it should just drop in there just like that. And this side right here, these two little arms here, they're gonna sit in here, and your hose is gonna sit straight. Don't yank on it too much. So you're gonna put this retainer back up and the retainer back here. Don't yank too much because you got cables here, you got a vacuum line here, you gotta pay attention to all that. And let me just show you now up close and personal. So this is the retainer that I pulled. And this is a retainer right here. This is how they come off, and this is how they go on. This should go on very simple. If you gotta force and tug with these guys, that means your filter's not sitting properly. And make sure you get this arm and that arm in there. Make sure this vacuum line doesn't get pulled, or this sensor cable here. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video.